Hello everyone, I'm here today to help you with some troubleshooting with your glass dip pens. Now maybe you've always had good luck with your glass dip pen and you've never had any problems, but for me, I know for myself I almost gave up on glass dip pens because mine didn't work when I first got it, and so now I'm here to help you try to figure it out and see if we can get it working for you. So number one is to check for any chips in your pen. If you do have a chip, it can easily prevent the ink from coming down smoothly, and so you wouldn't be able to write such smooth lines. And you really want to take extra care of your glass dip pen because obviously with it being glass, it can chip super easy. So I always have my plastic nib protectors on there and then keep them in a padded box in which they came in. So number one is just check closely for any chips that might be in your pen. Next is to check the ink that you are using. If you are using a thicker ink, there can definitely be more issues with the flow and having it consistently flow down that glass beveled chamber. So the different parts of a pen are the tip, the beveled chamber, and then the handle. So try to use a different ink to see if you are still having the same issue. Some great inks that I use are the Ferris wheel press inks. I also use a walnut ink and Sumi ink. And then India inks also work well too. But like your bleed proof white, even if you add some water to thin it out, still there can be issues with consistency. So number 3 is going to be to check reviews on your pen and see if anyone is having similar issues. Because also, like I said, I have bought a dip pen before that didn't flow very well. And I tried everything and come to realize I checked the reviews and everyone was having the same issue. So sometimes the pen design doesn't work as well as others, and primarily it has to do with the shape of the beveled chamber. The beveled chamber that seems to work best, in my opinion, is the one that's the same width the whole way down. So that's always worked best for me. Number 4 is going to be to dip the pen in water and wipe it off a few times to get off any extra debris or oil from your fingers and get that off of the beveled chamber. So water is also a great way to check to see if your pen is working without wasting those precious inks that you have. You can dip it in water and write on a piece of paper to see if the ink is flowing. You can kind of see by the sheen and see if it's working well. That way you're not wasting your precious inks. So if all of these suggestions don't work, I wouldn't give up hope on glass tip pens yet, because I had the same exact feeling and the same experience with the previous dip pen, and it didn't work no matter what I tried. But it ended up being the chamber that was the problem. So I think that you should at least give a different pen a try and see if that works for you. And I can confidently back this pen that I have. I have 2 different pens from this company, and I know that they work well. So I will leave an affiliate link for that. I am an affiliate, but I wouldn't share a product if I didn't fully back it. So I will leave that down below for you. I hope that you at least don't give up hope on glass dip pens, because they truly are beautiful and it makes it super easy to switch inks versus like a fountain pen where you have to, refill the chamber every time you want to change. This makes it super easy to just switch from one color to another, and it writes extremely well. So don't give up all hope yet. They also make a glowing glass tip pen kit, which comes with every single thing that you need to write and have the colors glow. So it even comes with the black light too, which is what I'm using here to have this effect. And it comes with a set of glowing inks. So I think that's really cool too, because it's unique and something that I haven't seen before. So I will leave a link for that glowing glass tip pen set too. This ink is called invisible ink, so without the black light you actually cannot even see it on paper. You can only see it under the black light. So it looks really cool under the black light, and then once you turn it off you can't even see it anymore. This one also comes in the set of the glowing glass tip pen kit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments. Make sure you subscribe for more videos.